Alright, let's do my first cutting board glue up. Seems to be a rite of passage, so to speak. Using some Titebond 3 here. The ends are still a little rough, but I'm planning on doing a round over on them after I get the glue up completed, so that should hopefully right that. This is maple and mahogany mix. And I also have some cutting board oil that I'm going to drench it in once it's completely smoothed and routed and ready to go. You want a lot of glue because you want it to adhere really well. Or so I'm told. This is my first cutting board after all. I hope all of you are doing well today. I have been quite productive, and it feels good. Should probably get a glue roller or something along those lines at some point. The old-fashioned just use your finger doesn't always get you quite where you want to be. But with that, it is just about fully coated. And we'll see how this goes. Lining the stock up right quick here. I got my clamps all ready too. Alright, make sure this is all lined up well. Sure. Make sure we're all level in here. Nice and tight. And we'll add a couple more clamps for good measure.